Imagine this scene with me for a second. It is 6 o'clock on a Tuesday evening. You just spent 8 exhausting hours crammed into a stiff corporate suit, staring at spreadsheets, nodding through endless meetings, and speaking in that low, controlled tone you use to survive the day. But fast forward just 2 hours. You are walking into a glowing evening lounge wearing a stunning dress, heels clicking softly against the floor, feeling radiant, confident, and completely in tune with your feminine soul. Sounds incredible, right? But let's talk about what actually happens in those 2 hours between the spreadsheet and the shimmer. Because transforming from corporate male mode into a glamorous female presence isn't just about throwing on a wig, slapping on foundation, and stepping into heels. If you have ever tried pulling off that transformation in an office bathroom, a gym locker room, or the backseat of your car, you know the absolute chaotic stress of it all. You are running out of time, your skin is stressed, your hands are shaking, and somehow you still feel like you are carrying the heavy weight of your daytime persona. Welcome back to My Life, My Rules, your safe space to explore, celebrate, and refine every single beautiful piece of your authentic self. If you are new here, I am so glad you found us. And if you are part of our returning family, welcome back, gorgeous. Today, we are diving into something most transition and cross-dressing tutorials completely ignore. We are not just talking about how to blend your contour or apply liquid lipstick. No. Today, we are uncovering the hidden mechanics of the day-to-night transformation. We are talking about the subtle micro-details, the body language resets, the logistics, and the secret hacks that turn a rushed, stressful wardrobe change into an effortless, empowering metamorphosis for every MTF crossdresser and trans woman balancing a corporate life. So, let's start with what happens before your workday even ends. Because the secret to an effortless evening transformation actually begins at 7 in the morning in your own bathroom. If you are trying to hide a beard shadow after an 8-hour workday, shaving at 5 in the afternoon on dry, tired skin is a complete recipe for disaster. You end up with razor burn, microcuts, and patchy foundation that clings to irritation. Honestly, it is a nightmare. Here is what you do instead. Do your absolute closest shave in the morning using a super hydrating shave cream, and immediately apply a very sheer, peach or orange-toned color-correcting primer right under your daily moisturizer before heading out to work. Nobody in your office will notice a lightweight, warm-toned primer under your skin, but here's the trick. It works quietly all day to neutralize those blue beard undertones from underneath. When you sit down for your evening touch-up, your skin is already prepped, smooth, and half neutralized without needing 6 heavy layers of concealer that crack under evening lights. Now, let's talk about something almost nobody mentions: scent transition and body chemistry. After a long day locked in a heavy suit or button-down shirt, your body naturally holds onto masculine-marketed deodorants, sweat, and fabric friction. If you just spray a sweet, floral, or vanilla perfume over a woodsy, spicy corporate cologne, you end up smelling like a strange, chaotic mix of cedarwood and sugar cookies. It just clashes, you know? Always keep a pack of unscented micellar water wipes in your Glam kit. Before you put on a single piece of evening clothing, wipe down your neck, collarbones, wrists, and underarms to completely strip away the daytime fragrances and sweat. And here is my favorite little secret. Apply a lightly scented feminine body lotion before putting on your dress, and then layer your perfume on top of your pulse points. This creates a soft, cohesive scent aura that moves with you naturally, rather than feeling like a heavy cloud of perfume you sprayed in a panic. Speaking of garments, let me save you from the single biggest cosmetic disaster that happens during rapid changes: the makeup smear. Picture this. You spent 45 minutes getting your foundation, winged liner, and lip line to absolute perfection, and then you try to pull a tight, glamorous dress over your head. Bam! Makeup on the neckline, ruined fabric, messy hair, and instant frustration. Listen to me. Your order of operations matters so much. Always put on your undergarments, breast forms, and shapewear first. Then, step into your dress or top before you do your makeup and hair. If you are wearing something that has to go over your head, drape a thin silk scarf loosely over your face before pulling the top down. The fabric glides right over the scarf without lifting a single drop of foundation. Better yet, build your evening wardrobe around wrap dresses, button-ups, or back zip styles that you can step into from the bottom up. Keeps your clothes pristine and your stress levels at zero. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever put on the perfect outfit, done flawless makeup, and still felt like something was slightly off when you looked in the mirror? More often than not, it is not your face or your clothes. It is your body mechanics. Throughout the workday, corporate culture trains us to take up space. We walk with wide foot placement, heavy heel strikes, square shoulders, and a rigid, forward-leaning torso. It is designed to project power in a conference room, but when you step into an evening gown with that same movement pattern, it feels heavy and disconnected. The moment you finish dressing, give yourself 30 seconds to reset your physical frame. Dropping your shoulders isn't enough. You need to tuck your pelvis slightly, soften your knees, and shift your center of gravity down into your hips. Think about walking along a single straight line on the floor rather than two parallel tracks. Let your arms swing gently from your elbows instead of swinging from your shoulders, and let your hips lead your movement naturally. You don't need an exaggerated runway strut. Just softening that rigid corporate frame completely transforms how feminine energy flows through your outfit. And while we are talking about nonverbal cues, let's address facial microexpressions. Long hours at a desk cause us to hold tension in very specific areas. Mainly a clenched jaw, a tight brow, and a neutral, guarded expression. Plus, in corporate settings, people usually greet each other with a sharp, downward nod. But soft, feminine energy in an evening setting is expressive, open, and warm. Before you step out, unhinge your jaw, drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth, and smooth out the space between your brows. Instead of that quick downward nod when making eye contact, practice a subtle tilt of the head, accompanied by a soft, warm smile that reaches your eyes. That single micro-expression shift instantly softens your features, making your makeup look infinitely more vibrant and natural because your face is no longer fighting daytime tension. Don't forget the tiny sensory details. Either corporate dress watches leave deep, red pressure indentations on your wrist that ruin the delicate look of feminine jewelry. Take off your heavy watch at least an hour before you transform so your skin has time to bounce back. Swap out rough daytime hands by keeping a rich hand cream in your bag, and use tab adhesive press-on nails instead of liquid nail glue. Adhesive tabs take 30 seconds to press on in a car, look immaculate, and pop off easily when you need to transition back. Finally, the most vital tip of all, the emotional reset. You cannot step into true feminine radiance if your mind is still racing with emails, deadlines, and corporate stress. Give yourself 3 minutes of silence before stepping into the room. Turn off your work phone. Put on a song that makes you feel powerful and beautiful. Take 3 deep belly breaths and consciously shed the corporate armor you wore all day. Remind yourself that you deserve this moment, you deserve to feel glamorous, and you are stepping fully into your truth. At the end of the day, this transformation isn't about hiding who you were at 9 in the morning. It is about honoring who you truly are when the sun goes down. You are resilient, you are brilliant, and you have the power to navigate both worlds on your own terms. If any of these tips resonated with you today, or if you have your own secret transformation hack, drop it in the comments below. I love reading your stories, and your wisdom might be exactly what someone else needs to read today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to My Life, My Rules, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep living your truth, loving yourself fiercely, and shining bright. Remember, it's your life, your rules. Take care, gorgeous, and I will see you in the next video.